Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to open the WhatsApp Messenger and it shows could not get your about, try again. And this notification only comes when I try to open and close the WhatsApp Messenger. So for example, I try to open my WhatsApp Messenger and after the few seconds I try to close it. But friends, here you can see in bottom it shows that same message, but I don't know why this notification every time comes and what is the reason for this notification. So my guessing is this is only occurs on WhatsApp beta version because in my device I am using the WhatsApp beta version and which is not a stable one. So the beta version means you get the new updates in early before your friend get the updates. At same time, this beta version is also testable one, which means that it has the lots of bugs when compared to the stable version, but they fix it once they release it to a stable version. So always use a WhatsApp as a stable version. But some YouTube video shows if you get this notification, just turn off this WhatsApp app notification and then this problem is fixed. So my suggestion is if you turn off the notification setting, you won't get any notification about your WhatsApp message and WhatsApp calls. And also don't clear this WhatsApp app data and this will also delete your entire chat history and you may lose your personal chats and other documents. So don't do this kind of things. So the video making purpose is this is just like a WhatsApp bug. So you can wait for a maximum of 2 or 3 days and they will fix it. So otherwise you can take a screenshot of this notification and then report it via this WhatsApp help center. So I hope this video may help to you. So anyway, if you have any doubts just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns and thanks for watching.